Hello, assalamu alaikum. I am Muhammad Sajid and you're watching my YouTube channel. And today in this video we will learn some basic HTML examples. So this is a sort of like starting of the course, and if you are totally beginner, there can be many things which you will or you may not understand correctly or fully. So I will say please don't worry, as we move forward in our this course you will be learning everything in detail. So today I will explain some basic HTML examples today. First of all, I would explain what's the structure of HTML document and what are important tags. So HTML documents, all HTML documents must start with the document type declaration. So this is important. All HTML documents must start with the HTML document type declaration. Declaration means you declare something, you can say write something in a code. So in this, see here, this is an example. This is a complete HTML you can say document, and this one is doctype is document type declaration. Then from here, from HTML element or tag, the actual document start and finishes at this HTML tag with this slash /, and then we have the body, and body is the actually contains the code or stuff which is actually displayed in the browser. Then we have header as well, we will study later. So let's first look at in this structure here. The HTML document itself begins with HTML, as I just said. It ends with this tag. Okay, and then we have the visible part of HTML document is between the body starting tag and body end tag. So whatever we will write between this body tags, that will be visible in the browser. Okay, then let's look at a little bit in more detail at doctype declaration. The doctype declaration represents the document type, what type of the document is, and helps browser to display web pages correctly. So it must only appear once at the top of the page before any HTML tags. And this type declaration is not case sensitive. And in HTML5, the doctype declaration is like this. You have this exclamation sign, then doctype, and then you write HTML, and then you close the tag. So this is how the doctype declaration is done in HTML5. Then we have HTML headings. Okay, so HTML headings are defined with h1 tag to h6. These are actually like 1 2 3 4 5 6 h. These are according to the size of the tag. Well, I will show you just now in an example. So h1 defines the most important heading, h6 defines the least important heading. Just look at here. See here, we have this doctype declaration, then we have HTML, then we have the body of the page, and then we have these 6 heading types. So you can see h1 is the largest, its size is big, and as we are moving towards h6, the text is becoming smaller and smaller. So that's why h1 we are calling it to be the most important. It is the largest, and as we are moving down, it becomes less important or smaller. Further, look at the HTML paragraphs tag. The paragraphs are defined with the p tag, and this is a paragraph, and this is another paragraph, sorry. So look at this example here. We have this body, and this body contains two tags, first one this one and second one this one. So we have two paragraphs in this HTML document. Okay, so let's move forward. Further, links are, you can say, extensively used in HTML pages, and all web is actually linked with each other with the help of links. Yeah, so HTML links are defined with a tag. So how, if we have to define some link in HTML document, we have to use this a tag, and then we use reference. This is the target URL. When we click this link, where this where we should go. So this is a link. So on the right side you can see the display. We have, this is a link, this text, and this is a link. When our mouse or this mouse cursor comes on this one, this shows this is converted to this hand symbol, and this indicates this is a link. And if we click this link, it will take us to for example, if I click it, it will take us to a new page. Okay, the link destination is specified in the href attribute. So this is our HTML tag or element A, and inside it you can see we have this red thing, href. These are called attributes of the tag. So attributes are used to provide additional information about HTML elements. Don't forget this. You will learn more about this in upcoming videos. Further, important thing is images are extensively used in the web pages. So HTML images are inserted in HTML documents using img tag. Yeah, so img starts here, and this has multiple attributes. For example, a source src, this shows what image to display. Yeah, name of the image or path. Alternate, alt, if image is not found, then what, we show some text at that place. So this is the text which we have to display. Then we have width and height. Yeah, we will show what should be the width and height of the image. Okay, so this was it. Now we look at some more information. How to view HTML source. So if you need to see the HTML source of a page, for example, currently what I'm showing you, this is also a web page. So we right click on it, and then we see here view web page source. Currently I am using this Microsoft Edge browser, I believe. So when I click view page source, you see here it shows a lot of stuff. Okay, and this is all the source of the page which you are seeing right now. Okay, and if you want to do some inspection of an HTML element, right click an element or a blank area and choose inspect or inspect element to see what elements are made up of, and you will see both HTML and the CSS. You can also edit the HTML or CSS on the fly in the element or style panel that opens. So see here, this is our source code of the page, and for example this heading, this h3, if I right click on it, I have inspect, and what will happen, it will on the right side, let me see, yeah, see here on the right side, it takes me to this span, where this, like, we can access and edit this specific edit as HTML, that we can edit this information for this particular tag. So this we can do on the fly in the browser, in the HTML. In web browser we can update HTML using inspect and HTML element, you can say, function. So that's it. I will wrap up my video here. In this video, don't forget that we have learned how to show images. Okay, see here. We didn't see this example. We didn't open it before. So see here, on the left side of the code and the right side I have the result. So image tag is showing this w3Schools image, and HTML images are defined with the img tag. This is defined as a paragraph here. HTML images are defined with the img tag. Yeah, this is like this. Okay, we have learned the tag which is used to show image, which that is img. Then we have learned the tag which is used to show links is a, and then href attribute, and then we have seen how to define a paragraph using p tag, and then we have HTML headings with h1 2 3 4 5 6, and document type declaration. In HTML5 we have this Doctype HTML to start an HTML document, to start a HTML document, and then this was one HTML complete document which contains header, body, and HTML tags and Doctype as declaration type. Okay, so I hope this video has been informative for you. You learned some new concepts, and in our upcoming video we will be studying and going more deep into HTML, you can say, language, and slowly and gradually you will be able to make very nice, good looking web pages. So this was Sajid, your host, your friend. I'll be back with my next video. By that time, take care, bye bye, and Allah Hafiz.